We go now to Westmoreland, where residents of Darling Street are appealing for more resources to be deployed across the parish to ease the tension among citizens, especially in the capital of Savannah Lamar. Anthony Lugg has details.
The mayhem and terror in Westmoreland continue as gangs shower bullets across several communities in the parish.
How much more loved one we are going to lose? How much more people don't want to ball?
We can't do now because I don't really see what it's for. I don't know where now war for.
Over the last few months, there have been several shootings and reprisals in the parish, including the capital, Savlamar, some of which are believed to be linked to an ongoing feud between rival gangs from Dexter and Darling Street. But it's a blame game between residents of both communities.
And they complain all the while and say it's Darling Street people. And from back the other way, it's them coming cross and doing the shooting. Then they reporting and say it's Darling Street.
I want police, real police to come to police work. I'm tired of police, that's why them can't get no information because as I say, them go and them call your name. I'm tired of them who want police to come to police work.
With the SOE now in effect, we asked Darling Street residents if they believe the measure could bring some level of calm.
That not help we know. That not help we. We need them to come in with some things for the youth them. We have too much unattached youth. Lego loose in our place. When man can capture them with ease. So them something that we want to cut.
We don't see a SOE. Everything is just like normal, just the same. Nowhere is card off, nowhere is being searched. You know, here say nowhere locked down and people are going. People are supposed to become uncomfortable because the guns are here, the criminals are here. But nobody not going.
During a tour of the parish earlier this week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness labelled Westmoreland as the epicenter of the crime surge in the country and committed to providing the necessary resources to address the problem.
We need the politicians to come in with some more intervention for the youth them in the community. Not for the youth them unattached, not for them not go to school. So the people them and the youth them will get the trouble in the community have control over them. Because to all the thing I go now, the man them not look for the man them will do the crime, you know. They might look for the family member or who do the crime. You see me, I saw the thing, I hatch and I go on and I go on and I go on.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.